All right, this is going to be still 5.3. And we're going to do elimination. Level 3. Okay. So we're going to add a little bit to it. So the steps are, I'm never going to add a step to it. So here's the first problem. Sure. That should be a positive 30. All right, if it will work. Okay, is it lined up? Yes. X is over X's, Y is over Y's, number over number. Okay, do I have an opposite? 4 and 9, 6 and 1? Not really. Okay, so I need to know how to create an opposite in this case. And there is a rule that says that you can multiply everything by the same number and it doesn't change the value of the line. Okay, for example, when we were like getting rid of fractions earlier, well, I don't want to go to that example. I might confuse people. Let's just stick with the rule of I could multiply. So what I want to do is see what is the easiest number to create. Can I turn 4 into 9 easily? No. Can I turn 9? Definitely can't go down. Can I turn 6 into 1? No. But can I turn 1 into 6 easy? I could multiply everything by 6. Okay, I'm going to rewrite the line. And I'm actually going to rewrite both. A lot of times I do this thinking part on my worksheet, and then I write this on my paper after I've done my thinking part. So this would be 54. This would be 6y. And this would be 180, I believe. Okay. Now I have an opposite. Draw your line. And make sure it is an opposite. Negative 6 and positive 6. Those are opposites, yes. Cancel. 50x equals 200. So the thing that I'm adding is just you have to think. The nice thing about the elimination method is the work is small, but the thinking is big. The substitution method, the work is huge, but you really don't have to think as much. You just do the math. Okay. All right, and when I say you can use any line, this is basically 1, 2, and 3 right here on this step. The fourth step, when you you can pick any line you want to. I can pick this line, I can pick this line, I can pick the original line, which I'm probably going to pick the original line. Okay, the original line looks like it's going to be pretty easy. So I'm going to pick 9x plus y equals 30 because all I have to do is this. 4 plus y equals 30. That would be what? 36 plus y equals 30. Subtract 36, subtract 36. Y equals negative 6. 4 comma negative 6 is my answer. Okay. So let's look at this next one, and I'm going to see if you can do it a little bit ahead of me. And we got a 12x minus a 10y equals a negative 16. 6x minus 3y equals 12. Okay, the nice thing about what I'm going to teach on Monday is it will help you if you can't find the easiest way to do it. It basically just, the way I teach Monday works every single time. It might take more work, but it will work. And we're probably going to finish with this subject like Monday. Maybe take a test another Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll let you know. Of course, it depends on the year. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to mess with 3 and 10. 3 and 10 don't work. 12 and 6 I can handle, right? I can turn 6 into 12 easy. Now, here's the deal. I want one to be negative and one to be positive, right? I want them to be opposites. If I just change this to 12, that would add up to be 24, and that doesn't help me at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by negative 2, because negative 2 times 6 is negative 12, which is an opposite. That means I have to multiply this by negative 2 and this by negative 2. Be careful about this. Every time I add a little detail of what you have to do, it means you have to be careful. That's not 3y. What is that? I messed it up. I destroyed it. That's supposed to be what? Yeah. Is this a very common mistake people make? And that is supposed to be a negative 24. Okay, now I have an opposite. Let's add it up. Cancel it. Love it. Negative 4y equals, what's that going to be? Negative. Okay, that's a reasonable answer. All right, I can use any line I want. I can use this one, I can use this one. There's so many negatives, I'm not happy with all of them. I guess I'll use my original one right here. Sure. Does it matter? No. I like to look for small numbers. I like to look for non-negatives. At least this one just has one negative, right? One minus. The original line. 6x minus 30 equals 12 plus 30 plus 30. 6x equals, what is that, 42? And that's going to equal okay.